If you've got long videos just sitting in Google Drive or on your YouTube channel, you're honestly leaving money and reach on the table. Even worse, if you have podcast episodes locked away, you are missing out on massive potential. Today, I want to show you a much faster, less painful way to turn all that long-form content into snackable social clips. And you can achieve this great result without needing to live inside an editor for hours on end. Meet Vizard. It's an AI-driven tool that makes repurposing long videos into short, platform-ready clips shockingly simple. The reality is, you can get multiple polished clips from a single long video in just a few minutes' time. If we haven't met, I'm Melissa, and I help creators and entrepreneurs get more leads and sales from their existing video content. If you care about working smarter, not harder, with your content strategy, then you absolutely need to stick around for this tutorial. Go ahead and hit subscribe right now if you want more powerful content creation tutorials delivered straight to your feed. So what does Vizard actually do for your daily workflow? The short version is that it ingests your long videos from your computer, Google Drive, or even just a YouTube link. The system then automatically scans everything to find the absolute most engaging moments within that entire recording. From those key moments, it effortlessly turns them into ready-to-post clips formatted perfectly for TikTok, Reels, or LinkedIn. But here is the crucial difference. Unlike some tools that just slice content randomly, Vizard's AI actively looks for emotional beats and high-energy segments. The intelligence also targets strong question-answer hooks and recognizes proven viral patterns within the speech itself. This advanced method means you aren't just posting the same generic meh snippets that every other creator is sharing online. You have the power to precisely pick the exact clip length you need, whether it's 30 to 60 seconds for a reel or shorter bits. You must also choose your preferred aspect ratios, enable auto-captioning, and decide if the tool should automatically zoom in on the main speaker. A fantastic feature is the ability to highlight important words directly within the captions, so viewers' eyes get immediately drawn to the critical information. Plus, it handles necessary basic editing, like efficiently cutting out those long, awkward pauses and removing any unnecessary filler words. In practice, this whole process translates to uploading once, telling Vizard roughly what you need, and coming back to dozens of polished clips ready for deployment. All right, let me walk you through exactly how I use Vizard in my own high-volume content process. I'll drop right into my Vizard dashboard screen to show you the simple starting point. It is extremely easy. You just paste a YouTube link in or upload your file straight from your Google Drive. Both methods work great. Once the long video is uploaded, you choose whether you want the system to run an auto-edit or simply export the raw capture as is. If you decide to pick auto-edit, all of the powerful AI refinement options immediately show up for you to configure precisely. You can set the clip model, though I usually let it stick to the default auto setting, and then select the appropriate content genre. Next, you define your desired length range, and for most creators, 30 to 60 seconds hits the perfect sweet spot for Reels and Shorts. If you're aiming for much more bite-sized content for TikTok, you can easily set that range to be between 15 and 30 seconds instead. There's also a handy processing time frame setting, so you can tell Vizard to ignore long intro countdowns and save precious credits. One of my absolute favorite parts of this entire process is the ability to build custom, reusable brand templates for consistency. These templates let you lock in your brand colors, the exact fonts you use, your preferred caption style, and any necessary overlay logos. I personally have one template set up for main channel clips and another entirely different one specifically for podcast highlights. That means every single time I process a new video, it automatically applies my polished brand look. Captions, colors, the whole vibe. Even if Vizard's initial guess for one specific clip isn't perfect, you are never locked in and can tweak those settings per clip after processing. Vizard also offers quick presets for common styles, such as a karaoke caption style or a specific interview split-screen layout if needed. The AI is genuinely smart about picking the moments it predicts are most likely to perform well across your different social platforms. After processing, Vizard conveniently gives each generated clip a helpful viral score, which is a prediction of its likelihood to blow up. Don't treat that score like absolute gospel, but it serves as a really helpful guide when you are deciding which clips to push out first. Once the clips are successfully generated, you can review and make final edits inside Vizard's intuitive in-browser editor before publishing. The editor lets you trim edges, split to remove unwanted sections, or delete an awkward stock B-roll overlay if the visual doesn't fit your message. You also have control to crop and reposition the frame, change aspect ratios on the fly, and toggle those auto transitions on or off. There is even a fun little AI hook feature where you can type a short opening phrase, and Vizard will produce a quick voiceover to layer over the beginning of the clip. A couple of things to call out from my own experience: sometimes auto-generated stock B-roll can feel a little bit off. Vizard's library is better than many competitors, but I still strongly recommend you quickly scan the clips to ensure the B-roll fits your core message. The AI is constantly improving, and Vizard makes it simple to swap in different footage if you find a better visual match for your content. Now let's talk about the scheduling and publishing part, because this is where Vizard truly separates itself from other editors. Instead of downloading all those clips and then juggling a separate third-party scheduler, Vizard has built-in auto-schedule functionality with a content calendar. The auto-schedule feature is essentially a set-it-and-forget-it system. You tell Vizard how often you'd like clips posted, and it creates the cadence and schedules them automatically. The visual content calendar then shows every single scheduled clip across all your connected social platforms, allowing easy rearrangement or caption modifications. You don't need any extra third-party scheduler because it posts directly to your connected social accounts when the time comes. Compare this functionality to tools like Opus Clip or other standalone editors. Opus Clip is certainly useful and very accessible, but you often still need that separate scheduler to manage when the content actually goes live. Descript is incredibly powerful for certain complex editing workflows, but it often feels much heavier and more manual for bulk repurposing tasks. CapCut is fantastic for hands-on editing when you want complete creative control, but it is simply not built for automation at scale like this. Vizard's sweet spot is that essential middle ground: automated clip selection that is actually smart, integrated scheduling, and a calendar that gives you a true production overview. That powerful combination of features is precisely what saves me many hours every single week. Team features are also quite solid, allowing you to invite teammates and share those powerful custom templates you've built. You can also set up multiple brand templates if you happen to run entirely different channels or client accounts through the same dashboard. Make sure to upload your logo and custom fonts into the asset library so that everything you publish stays perfectly on brand. There is even a censored words list feature if you want Vizard to automatically blur or edit out any problematic language before publishing. Once a clip is finalized in the editor, you can either download it locally to your computer or post it straight to the connected platform with one click. Vizard generates a suggested caption using its AI, which serves as an incredibly helpful first draft that you can then easily tweak or regenerate. You simply pick the exact time you want it to go live, and Vizard locks it onto that calendar slot. It is truly that seamless. Now here are a couple of pro tips from my own experience that will really help you maximize this tool for your volume. First, use those templates religiously. They save massive amounts of time and guarantee your brand consistency across everything. Second, always review the top scoring clips first, because that viral score is a fantastic filter when you have 30 or more new outputs to look through. Third, try to combine Vizard with a robust repurpose system. Consistent recording means 1 hour of filming can fuel dozens of posts for the entire month. Fourth, never be afraid to manually refine those AI-generated captions for specific cultural context, as small edits significantly improve performance. I know what some of you might be thinking right now, but does this all sound like one big paid advertisement? The honest answer is no. I am sharing Vizard because it fundamentally changed the way I personally produce content for my business. Instead of spending my entire afternoon buried deep inside a complex editor, I upload, let the AI do the heavy lifting, and I just handle the light finishing touches. That entire workflow has multiplied my content output volume without sacrificing the quality viewers expect from me. If you are already using tools like Opus Clip, Descript, or even CapCut, Vizard doesn't have to replace them all overnight. Instead, think of it as the essential backbone for scaling your repurposing efforts. It finds the viral moments, formats them perfectly, and gets them scheduled. Use your favorite editor for those more handcrafted pieces when the time calls for it. But for sheer volume and consistency, Vizard is a true game changer. Imagine what you could achieve with just 4 solid, long-form videos a month. Vizard can turn that into dozens of short, scheduled, ready-to-go clips. That frees you up to actually engage with your audience and focus on the critical business side of things. If you want to test this out yourself, I highly recommend you upload a recent webinar or podcast and just let it auto-generate a batch of clips to preview. Clips. Take a look at the content calendar afterward and truly watch how much time the whole system would save you in a typical week. If this detailed walkthrough helped streamline your thinking, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below telling me which AI content tool you're actively using right now for repurposing. If you've already tried Vizard, let us know what specific features you loved or what you think could still be improved in the next update. If you haven't tried it yet, take your very next long video, upload it, and see how many strong clips it finds. You might be genuinely surprised by the results. All right, everyone, I'm off to batch create all of my content for next week using this exact system. Thanks so much for watching this deep dive, and I will catch you in the very next tutorial video. Bye for now.